Hello, Miss Howell here. We will be doing order of operations today with our You Teach It Math Study Guide. I'll give you 3 seconds to get your paper and pencil. Right. If you would like to follow along with me, I will be using the problem from page 1 in your study guide because it gives us all the steps that we will need. $72 divided by 3 squared plus 10 times 6 minus, open parentheses, 5 minus 2, close parentheses. And before we get started, I want to show you just how many steps we should have. We have division here, we have your exponent, addition, multiplication, subtraction, and again in parentheses, subtraction. And if you can remember the steps for order of operations, you do what's in parentheses first, exponent second, you multiply or divide. It just depends on whatever's on the left, that goes first. So if multiplication is on the left, you would do that first. If division is on the left, you would do that first. Then your final step is adding or subtraction. Again, if addition is on the left, you would do addition before subtraction. If division is on the left, you would do division before addition. All right, so let's get started again. Parentheses first. So to keep yourself in order, bring down everything that you're not working with now. So I'm going to bring down everything that we are not working with now and do what's first, which is parentheses. So our first step is this. 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay. Again, bring down everything that we're not using first. 72 divided by, we're going to leave this open because we know that this is second, plus 10 times 6 minus 3. Because exponents is second, I brought everything down except the exponent because that's the next thing we're doing. So 3 squared is the same as 3 times 3. Remember, 3 is the base, and I'm going to put that over here just to remind us, and 2 is the exponent. If you remember from our last lesson, the exponent tells you how many times to multiply the base to itself. So 3 times 3 is 9. I'm excited because we're moving right along. So the first step was parentheses, second step was dealing with the exponent, and again, third step is you divide, then multiply, or multiply and divide, but it's based on what's first. So as you can see here, we have division on the left plus multiplication on the right. So we're going to do this next, but again, to keep yourself in order, bring everything down except this because we know that that's third. Just to keep your problem in order because this is a huge problem. Okay. 72 divided by 9 is 8. Oh, we're moving right along. Okay. Go ahead and bring down everything that we're not doing, which is the 8 plus and the minus 3. And again, we know that our fourth step is 10 times 6 is 60. Now, Remember what I told you about addition and subtraction. Whichever is first, whichever comes on the left, you do that first, and whatever's on the right, you do it second. So addition is first in this case. So we're gonna circle the 80. 8 plus 60, that will be the fifth step. And we're going to bring down the 3 because we're not subtracting yet. So 8 plus 60 is 68. And our final step is subtraction. 68 minus 3 equals 65. I'm excited because it was 6 steps with this problem. First, parentheses. Second, exponents. Third, it depended on which came first. Division came before multiplication, so division was third. Fourth was multiplication. Fifth was addition because it came before subtraction. And final step, the 6th step, was to subtract. These are the steps for order of operations. And again, that problem is in our math study guide on page 1 if you want to go back and look at that. And remember to like, share, and comment.